folks, welcome back to Betty's channel. She's doing the do as always. Please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a subscribe, it's free. Drop a comment down below, tell us what you all think. And hopefully the little channel will grow. We're at 442 subscribers at the minute. Only need a few more thousand to get to a few more thousand. Let's see if we get on. Right, today we're going to be painting the inside of the door shuts. Not the doors, because they are going to be carpeted eventually. I'm also going to try and get the bumper done, but I'm going to brush paint today, not roller paint, because it is windy. So let's just see how we get on. Come with me. I'm going to remove the door rubber so I can paint all the way to the edge. The only problem I've got is in that corner up there and down to about there. I did fill it with Sikaflex when I thought it, well, when it was leaking, before I put my very sexy spoiler on. Oh, then. So I'm going to take the door rubber off and probably peel all that Sikaflex off. I'm not going to do much with that top corner of Sikaflex. I'm going to leave that, I'm just going to paint over it. So I don't really want to take that rubber off. So I'll just paint the best I can around it. It needs a new rubber really, but they are very expensive. So I'll paint all the way around the door shuts and the edges of the doors as well. Just down the edge there, and just this edge up to about there, all the way around. Should go on okay. And as I just mentioned, I'm going to try and get the bumper done. I'm going to clean it all off first, obviously. Do that edge as well, and I think before I do anything I'll just need to wash off the mud from the bumpers, and I might as well paint the mud flaps while I'm at it. So let's wash that off first and see how we get on. Okay, we'll give it a quick clean, take the rubber off up to the top bit where the locks are. So I'll just paint behind that, paint all the way around. Bumper's been washed off, it's currently drying, so I'm going to do the metal bits around the inside. Let's crack on. as you can see from that time lapse, don't look too bad, that does it? Completely changes the colour. See what I did then? It was white and now it's black. So I'll leave that to touch dry. I'm only going to put one coat on, I think, because that's all it needs. I might put 2 on bumper, but I don't have to be careful around here because it's going onto bumper anyway. So yeah, right, we'll do the other side now. You don't need to see that, and then I'll bring you back when I'm doing the top at bumper and that valance. This is where we're at the moment though. It's all been done down the sides and the top. Just got to do the bumper and that top piece now, the valance. And it's just started raining. Bugger. Right, I'll come back to you hopefully in a bit when it stopped raining. Well, weren't that a nice video? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a subscribe, it's free. Drop a comment down below, tell us what you all think. Hit that notification bell so you get alerts when new videos come out. And above all, keep doing what you do.